Hello everyone, welcome back to the videos. It's wonderful to have you here as always. So in the last video you saw I managed to get the transmission out of this thing after a day-long struggle, and today I'm going to continue that struggle and try and get this engine out. By the end of today I'd like to have the engine out and try and just plop the V6 in here and see how a couple of things are going to look. I might have to pull the pan off to do it, but yeah. So stick around. I'll get to work yanking this thing out. Hopefully it's not going to be too bad, but going by that transmission as anything to go by, it's probably going to be a pain in the ass. And yeah, should be pretty doable. I think it's already half apart. I got the intake manifold half off it yesterday to get the transmission out of it. So yeah, first things first, I want to disassemble this front end so we can get at it. Beamers have a wonderful thing where you can take the whole front clip off, so I'm going to look at doing that with the radiator and all that nonsense, and try and get this lump of shit out. Probably not. It doesn't help, but I didn't have a brush or anything to brush it with. Alright, well that's where I'm going to leave it today. We've gone and accomplished what I wanted to. We got the engine out in the ground over here, not that you can see it there, and we've just gone and quickly plopped in the ecotec that I got here into the engine bay just to sort of see how it's going to fit. I'm pretty happy with it. There's a couple of small concerns I need to sort of think about and address. One, the front sump, obviously. The bell housing is going to be a little bit tight in the back there, and the height of it, obviously it's going to be a bit lower than what it is now, but it might be a little bit tall, but for the most part it fits pretty well. I'm pretty happy with it and the way it's looking, so I need to look into sorting something out with that sump, or finding someone to help me sort out that sump. There is a company I know of, V6 conversions, that are making rear sump pans for ecotecs, but they are a bit expensive. I might try and reach out to them, see if they want to sponsor the build and look after me with one of their sump pans, but for the most part I think either I'm going to get one of those or modify this one. I haven't really decided which way about it I want to go, but yeah, I'm pretty excited. It's looking pretty interesting. Yeah, it's starting to come along. It's very motivating actually seeing the engine in there. So next process, I guess, will be I got a spare block there. I might sort of put it in there and work out engine mounts and stuff. Actually, there's the RB turbos down there. Yeah, but you'll get the idea, I guess. No, the cover, well, it's all back at Mum's. Yeah, so it's very motivating seeing it in there. It fits rather well as far as engines go, but but yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing how it comes out. And yeah, I'm going to need something much bigger than that, obviously. And I think I might put it over on the driver's side here. Get rid of the washer bottle and put it here. That way I can have the intercooler piping on. I don't have to modify the intake then. But yeah, looks sick. I'm excited. I'm keen to get some work done. I might have another dead 4L60 back at Mum's. I might gut it so that it's just a bare case and bolt it up to that block that I've got there and use it to work on engine mounts and all that sort of nonsense. But that's going to be it from me in this video. So next video we're going to be engine mounting and sorting that stuff out, and then from there it's manifolds, wiring, tail shaft, exhaust, all that sort of nonsense. But yeah, that's the hard bit out of the way now, so now it's on to the fun stuff like fabrication stuff and welding and gluing bits of steel together. But anyway, I want to thank you all for watching. Please leave a comment down below, leave a like on the video, and don't forget to head over to the website cornfedboost.com, grab yourself some merch, stickers, shirts. It all helps the channel a lot. And yeah, that's going to be it from me. Let me know what you guys think of the build. I know a lot of you are telling me that you're excited for it, and I'm excited for it as well. It's going to be a real fun build for me to sink my teeth into. But yeah, anyway, I'm rambling. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.